Hi Sir Doig, good day. My name is Raluna Amahit from BSIS 1A, and today our group created a cashier ordering program for our clothing business. We call it 3R Spy Clothing. So to start the program, we use the header iosstream.h and connew.h for us to be able to use C++ function and C in and out. And we also have here our data type, car and float, for us to be able to enter letters and numbers with decimal. So before we start the program, we perform a clear screen first, and then I already use go to XY here so that the welcome to 3R Spy clothing that I'm going to display or see out will be in the right position. So we have set up a password here. So we allow the cashier to enter the password 2131 for our if statement. So later on, it will show incorrect password if in case the cashier won't be able to enter the correct password. So moving on. Okay, so this is our price list. So I use the word here for the looping, and then we put in here first after the and then the clear screen so that our program will look neat. So next we have a lot of C in and C out on this part. I also have our items here: shirt, jeans, short, blouse, and then polo shirt. And then we have our quantity. And then we also have our total. So after the cashier enters the quantity, then it will show the total. And then we put getche to temporarily stop the program. So we have our looping. So we use end line to put some space. And then there's an option to continue or back to menu. This is where or this will show up when the cashier will be able to enter the correct password. So let's scroll down. So we have our mode of payment here. So this is where we use our case control. So we use switch. So we have our case 1 for our Gcash option. So it's asking for the phone number and then the total amount due, cash rendered, and then the change. So the next case, case 2, here is the cash. We have the total amount due, cash rendered, and then change. Alright, so after that, it will give an option to like if the cashier would like to go back to the menu or exit. Alright, so this part, invalid option, pick again. This will in case the cashier will put in like the option rather than our choices. Okay, so this is this will show up the incorrect password if the cashier won't be able to enter the correct password, and then it will also show terminating the program. And then we have the getche to temporarily stop the program, and then our close brace. So if we notice we don't have return 0 in here already because we have void main already before we start the program. So I think we're ready to run or compile first. So let's try to compile. Let's see if there's any error. Okay, so it's showing success. So let's just proceed to run the program. Okay, so first we will show the correct password. So if the cashier will be able to enter the correct password, okay, so it will display the list. So we'll start to enter the quantity. So for t-shirt, we have 2. Jeans, we have 2. Short, let's say 3. Blouse, we have 1. And then probably, I don't like polo shirt, so that's 0. So that is the total amount due, 1173. So let's press enter. And then let's continue. Alright, so the first option is cash. So I'd like to show cash first. And then, let's say my cash is 3,000. Alright, so the total amount due was just 1173. So cash rendered, that was 3,000. So I have the change, 1827. So let's try to go back to the menu. Alright, and this time, I'll try to pick Gcash as my option. Alright, so the total amount due is 843. So let's continue. Alright, so Gcash. So that was 843. And then phone number 0936 943 0887. Okay, so the total amount due was 843. Cash render, that was 843. So change is 0. So let's try to exit. So terminating the program. Okay, let's try to run again so that we can show the incorrect password. So let's try to put in incorrect password. Okay, so it's showing incorrect password and then terminating the program. So I think we all are able to apply all the functions that we have learned from this semester. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.